Hello, today the presentation is about how to create a Matlab function. We know from the previous lecture that Matlab can be used for math computations, for modeling and simulations in many applications and in many domains. It also can be used for data analysis and data processing, for visualization and graphing, and also for algorithm development. This is the Matlab window. Once the program starts, this window opens. It contains three smaller windows: the command window, the current folder window, also the workspace window. This command window is the Matlab's main window. It's used to enter variables, also to run programs. This workspace window provides information about the variables that are used. Let's take an example. If I write a equal 5, so in this case, we get a equal 5, and here in the workspace, the information about a is provided. So here we have a, the variable, and 5, its value. If I write a vector, for example, x equal 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 0, 9. So here in the workspace, this variable x was saved. X is composed of the following values: 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 0, 9. So the command window can be used for executing commands, to open other windows, and to run programs written by the user. So if we have written a program, we can just copy and paste this program here in the command window, and it will be executed. And all the variables, the matrices, the vectors will be saved here in the workspace. So far, all the commands were typed in the command window and were executed when the enter key was pressed. So if I say y equal 60, I press enter, I get the result. This means that every time the enter key is pressed, only the last command is executed, and everything executed before is unchanged. So we cannot now change x. I have to write x again to make the changes. Now, in this presentation, we will learn another method, a better way to execute the commands with Matlab. A better way is to create a script file or a function, to create a function. We create a new script by click the new script here, this button on the Home tab. Once this window is open, the comments of the script file are typed line by line. So here in the script, we can type all the comments line by line. So a script file is a sequence of Matlab comments. This is also called a program. A program is a sequence of Matlab comments, a sequence of comments. So first, we create a file, we write a list of comments, we write our program here in the script, and then we can run or execute the file by just clicking on this button, Run button. Let's take an example. Let's define here x equal x is a variable or a vector equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's say. We can also define a variable y equal to 4, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 5.5, let's say 4, 3, 2, 0. We can, for example, plot x versus y. So here is my program. It's composed of 3 lines. If we run now the file, these comments are executed in the order that they are listed. So x is executed first, then y, then the plot function. Let's press run. I have to save the script before running it. So let's name the script as test1, for example. Let's save it in documents, Matlab, save. This is our plot. So here in the x-axis, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this is the y-axis. You can check here in the workspace. You can see that this workspace window provides the information about the variables that are used. So here we have x and y. So using a script file is convenient because it can be edited, corrected, or changed, and it can be executed many times. So we can, for example, change here the values for x. We can write here 8.5, for example. Here we can write 1. We can run again and see the new plot. So this is our new plot. So script files can be changed and executed many times and at any time. Also, the script files can be typed and edited in any text editor. Then we can then make copy and paste for this text into this script file, and we can run it. This is also an advantage. These script files are also called M files because the extension is .m. So if we check here for the file, you can find the file in Documents, Matlab. You can see that the extension for this script, test1, is .m. So .m, this file is called also an M file. Here when we place a semicolon, at the end of a command, the output will not be displayed in the command window. If we remove this semicolon, we can check for the output in the command window. So typing a semicolon is useful when the result is obvious or known, or when the output is very large. We can also use the symbol percent in any script. So when the symbol percent is typed at the beginning of a line, the line is designated as a comment. So we can write here anything, a description for the variable, a description for the comment, or any text. And here note that the Matlab is case sensitive. I mean, Matlab differentiates between lowercase and uppercase letters. For example, a small x is different than big X. So if I do run in this case, I will get an error since the term, the variable small x is not defined in the script. Here we have big X and small y, but in the plot we have a small x and small y. I have to change small x into big X. In this case, the error is removed. In any script, you can write at first the commands CLC and the clear all and the close all. This is to reset the command window and the figures. So clear here, we can clear the command window, we can clear the workspace with clear all, we can close all the figures generated using close all. To add the title for this figure, we can use the title function and write here inside this function the name of the figure. Let's call it my function. To add X and Y labels, we can use also the functions X label and Y label. So inside X label, we can write here the variable X, and inside Y label, we can write the title variable Y. Run. So we can see here the title for the figure. We can see also the labels for the X-axis and for the Y-axis. This is our lecture for today. More advanced examples and functions will be provided in future lectures. Thanks for listening.